Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will make this card using the Motif sheets and laser cut chipboards from Papericious April release. I have used Mama in the Making die cut embellishments and Motif sheets, Mom to Be laser cut chipboards and Vellum cardstock by Papericious on this card. I have also used silver cardstock by Heartfelt Creations, BeyondInks Yupo sheets, BeyondInks Magenta and Sky alcohol inks, 99% isopropyl alcohol, Gina Marie Designs stitched rectangles die cuts and more stitched clouds die. All the supplies are listed down below in the description. This piece was created during one of my practice sessions with alcohol inks, so I don't have a video for that. I just put drops of Sky alcohol ink and isopropyl alcohol on Yupo paper and moved it around with a blower till I was happy with the results. And then I sprinkled few drops of Sky alcohol ink, isopropyl alcohol and magenta inks to get more texture and a pop of pink on the background.